Hello everyone, looking to apply for Section 8 housing in New York. In this video, I'll guide you through the process, explaining the eligibility requirements and show you where to check your application status. So let's get started. So first, Section 8, also known as the Housing Choice Voucher Program, helps low-income families, seniors, and people with disabilities afford safe housing in New York. The program is managed by the New York City Housing Authority, or NYCHA. This one here. So as of now, NYCHA is not accepting new Section 8 applications. The most recent window was from June 3rd to June 9th. And if you apply during this period, you can check your waitlist status through the NYCHA self-service portal. Anyway, so let me talk more about this. So if you previously applied, you will receive a notification by email on once the waitlist is finalized on August 1st. Alright. So you'll also get call from them. Now to check your status, log in to NYCHA self-service portal or click here this link and you can see your application status. So now to qualify for Section 8, your household income must be within the set limits. Alright. So here's a quick look at the income limit for 2024. So a single person must earn $54,000 or less per year. A family of four must earn $77,650 per year or less. And large families have higher limits as shown on the screen here. If Section 8 is unavailable, you may consider applying for NYCHA public housing. And unlike Section 8, public housing provides rental units directly managed by NYCHA. You can also apply through this link, apply for housing here on their official website. Now, when applying, make sure your information is accurate and as incomplete or false details could lead to delays or even denial of assistance. And this is what those housing looks like. Uh, So it's illegal for landlords to reject your application because you're using Section 8. So if you face any discrimination, call 311 or contact NYC Commission on Human Rights. This number here, 718-707-7771. And that's it for this guide of Section 8 housing in New York. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe for more housing and finance tips.